Hello everyone, thanks for checking out this short video. My name is Tim and I'm doing just a short unboxing video. If you're looking for any NP-F750 batteries, these are pretty common for cameras, for lights. In my case, I'm using these for my Ninja V monitor. And yeah, I found this little cool pack at B&H. It was 59 bucks for both batteries and then the one little charging unit. So let's take a look here. So yeah, that's all it is in the box here. So there it is out of the package. It's cool. It's called Smith Victor, and it's just this little lightweight charger. It's USB, plugs right into your, well, I'm going to just plug it right into my computer to charge it, or I have a USB charging station as well over by my computer. And it looks like you can charge both batteries at once. So it just comes with this little cable. There's no brick, like USB brick, so you either got to have your own or just have a USB charging port. And then the batteries here. So there you can see I've got it plugged into my little USB charging unit. And it's cool, it actually charges both batteries at once. I've had some of these in the past where it'll charge one battery at a time, you know, and then it'll move on to charging the next. But you can see it's actually charging them both at once. So pretty cool. I'll be reviewing more tech gear, camera, and computer gear. So if that's something that's interesting to you, follow along. Bye.